everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosalie. So today, as you can see, I have a super fun and colorful makeup tutorial for you guys. As you know, it's Pride Month. What's a better time than June to do a colorful eye makeup? So I created this look with the Morphe Pride Living Color palette. I really loved this palette, not just for this look, but in general. If you want a pop of color, it has a wide range of selections. You get 25 eyeshadows in one palette and it's only $25. I really love the quality of this. It's super blendable, it's very pigmented, it's really easy to apply. So for today's look, I didn't do foundation and brows on camera. So let me know in the comments down below if you want me to leave the foundation in, because I just feel like every time I'm doing the same thing and it's kind of getting redundant. So I just want to keep the video length a little bit shorter. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, I'm gonna begin with placing a piece of tape on my outer corner so it gives me a really sharp line when I'm doing the eyeshadow. The first shade I'm going to use is called Pride, which is a orange color. I'm just grab a little bit with a fluffy eye brush and place it in my crease. And then I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and buff out the edges. And then the next color I'm going to take is called Life, which is a red color. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on the outer corner and blend it into the orange I just used. And now I'm going to use a smaller pencil brush and grab the color called Truth, which is an intense purple shade. And I'm just defining the crease with this color. The red shade as well and intensify the outer corner. And then go back to the purple and bring just kind of bringing everything up. And next up, I'm gonna cut my crease with the Too Faced Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. So I put a little bit on the back of my hand, and using a concealer brush, I'm gonna just apply it on my lid. Okay, once the crease is done, I'm going to use this bright yellow shade and apply it on top of the area we just applied the concealer. I'm just using an eyeshadow brush and grab the color and put it all over the area we just cut the crease. And then now I'm just gonna go back to the red shade and intensify my outer corner. And then go back to the purple again, kind of blend it with the yellow shade. And I'm also using the orange shade to diffuse the area between the yellow and the purple, just to make the transition more seamless. Next up, I'm gonna use a small pencil brush and I'm going into this color called Healing, which is a glittery yellow gold. So I'm just placing the color on my inner corner and blend it upwards into the yellow shade. And bring it into my inner corner onto my lower lash line. Alright, next up I'm going to remove my tape. This is probably my favorite part of this look because it's just super satisfying. Look at the sharp line. Alright, now I'm gonna take this blue shade, which is called Rise Up, and place it on my lower lash line. And next up, I'm gonna go into Harmony, which is a darker blue color, and blend it in with the purple I was using on top of my lid. And just to blend it all together, I'm going back to the purple shade and intensify the outer corner and kind of just diffuse the edges. Alright, the last shade I'm going to use is this shimmery green color called Activism. And using a clean pencil brush, I'm just going to place it in between the blue and the yellow. Alright, now I'm just going to clean up my under eye area using the same concealer I was cutting my crease with. Taking a beauty sponge, I'm just going to grab the concealer and using the sharp edge of the blender, sculpt the shape out. And then now I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and line my inner waterline. And for my upper waterline, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. It is in a dark brown shade. Alright, I just applied some false lashes off the camera. Now I'm just gonna apply some mascara onto my lower lashes. The mascara I'm using today is the L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara in the waterproof version. Now I'm going to intensify my inner corner highlight and my brow bone. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder. And this is the shade Precious Petal. It's a really beautiful rose gold color. So I'm going to put it on the inner corner. And then on the brow bone. And then now I'm going to take a brown liquid eyeliner just to line my inner corner a little bit to open up my eyes. Alright, now that my eyes are done, I'm going to contour my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm gonna grab a smaller fluffy brush and contour my nose bridge. And bringing the contour into my eye socket as well. And then I'm also going to contour underneath my lower lip just to make my lips look a bit more defined and full. And just to give my cheeks a bit more color, I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in the shade Coastline, which is this orangey shade. And I'm just gonna apply lightly onto the apples of my cheeks. And then taking the same highlighter again, I'm going to highlight my nose bridge. And then a little bit on my cupid's bow. I'm going to be really precise and just highlight the top of my cheekbone. The lip color I'll be using today is by NYX. It's their lingerie collection. This is in the shade number 8. Okay, last but not least, I'm gonna apply some setting spray. This is by Makeup Forever. Okay, so this is the finished look. I think I'm really happy with the results, and I feel like I'm getting better at this cut crease technique. I just feel like I need to practice more. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below how I did. if you like this look, is it too intense? I don't really wear my makeup like this in real life, to be honest, but it's so much fun to do on camera. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!